All right, everyone, it's Tuesday. We're going to look at the Sonic trading system. We're back after a 3-day holiday. The one thing that we should be looking at is how strong or how fast the market is. Usually I look at the ATR, the average true range. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Don't trade with funds. You cannot afford to lose. The previous few trades have been looking pretty good. Let me even go back here a little bit, where you could see right as the market opened, which I think you should be careful with when the market opens. It was a successful trade to the short side, followed by another short signal to the short side, followed by another short signal. Now, these all are winners. Here we are to go long. Now, I think this is a great opportunity here to go long. I want to get in at a better price. I do want to go long. We're entering at a better price. So remember, look at the target and then look at the stop and ask yourself, is it really upside down where I'm losing a lot of money in case the market goes against me? So that's one thing you should be worried about.
Order filled.
All right, so I looked at entering long here at a better price. Remember, this looks like a 50-50 risk to reward ratio. It's really important. Some of the methods that we teach have a larger risk to reward ratio because we're looking at a different element, different type of trading. But with the Sonic system, we're in, we're out, we're making sure that we're taking 4 or 5 trades a day and then stopping. The idea is not to overtrade. If you have a signal that the target is very small, the stop is very large, skip it or wait for a better entry. See what I did? I don't know if this trade is going to be a winning trade or not, but I did wait for the market to retrace a little bit so that risk to reward ratio makes more sense. Now it's about 50-50. You can do it 60-40. You can do it 70-30. You can do it any way that you want. My recommendation is don't make the stop so much larger than the target you're trying to achieve. The other thing I want to mention is that the longer that you're in a trade, the worse off you are. So I don't like to hold on to trades for extended hours on hours just to make a few
Target
ticks.
filled.
All right, hit the target. Whether you took that trade originally at the 64.14 quarter or you waited like I did for a better price, the idea is to understand, realize what you're losing, what you're trying to make, whether or not it makes sense. Don't overtrade. We're back in the swing of things here in September. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Remember to get a free member account and take advantage of our savings. We have some promotions going on. Until next time, look at that market. Until next time, want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.